All right, guys, here's our ed puzzle for tonight. First thing, we're talking about momentum. The formula for momentum is what? What is the formula for momentum? P equals what? What two letters? That's right, P equals mv. The M stands for mass, and the V stands for velocity. Okay? Let's do some problems about things colliding with each other. Number one, a 10-kilogram bowling ball. What letter is that? 10 kilograms. That's right. 10 kilograms is the mass. 10 kilograms is the M. Is rolling at 3.8 meters per second. So we have M times V. P is equal to M times V. So in this case, P is equal to M times V. 3.8 meters per second is the velocity. So the momentum of this bowling ball is 10 times 3.8, or that is 38. And we just like to say 38P. So it seems simple. There's the bowling ball. All right. It collides with an 8-kilogram ball rolling at 4.1 meters per second. P is equal to 8 kilograms. That is the mass. So 8 kilograms times the velocity. It collides with an 8-kilogram ball rolling at 4.1 meters per second. The velocity of that is 4.1 meters per second. Solve for this momentum. All right, that's right. You would say P is equal to 8 times 4. So that's going to be 32.8 P. Who would win? This guy. That's right. The 10-kilogram bowling ball has more momentum, so it would win this collision. The next one, a 1,200-kilogram truck driving at 34 meters per second. P equals mv. Which one of these numbers is the mass? That's right, 1,200. P is equal to 1,200 times 34. 1,200 kilograms times 34 meters per second. Let's see how much momentum that truck has. I'm asking you, how much momentum does this truck have? All right, I'm going to solve it. 1,200 times 34. 40,800 P. All right, let's take a look at this next one. P is equal to mv. The car it collides with is a 900-kilogram car at 42 meters per second. P is equal to mv. I want you to solve this problem now without any more help from me. Okay, P equals 900 kilograms times 42 meters per second. All right. 900 kilograms times 42 meters per second. I'll take my calculator. I'll say 900 times 42. 37,800 P. All right, who's going to win this collision? This guy. That's exactly right. The last problem is slightly harder. A 6,000, here, P equals mv. A 6,000 kilogram boat. So the mass is 6,000 kilograms. Is moving at 12 meters per second. What is the momentum of this boat? All right. You're going to say 6,000 times 12. So it's going to be 72,000 P. And now it's going to have a collision with a barge. The barge, how fast would a 3,800 kilogram barge need to go in order to make an even collision? All right, to make an even collision, you have to have the same amount of momentum as this guy. So you would say, if we want to have an even collision, we would say 72,000 P is what the barge needs to have. The barge weighs 3,800 kilograms. So how fast does it need to be going? All right. Hopefully you solved that right. We need to solve for V. It's 3,800 times V, so we're going to say divided by 3,800 on this side. 72,000 divided by 3,800 equals 18.9 meters per second. That's how fast it would need to be going because it is smaller, so it need to be going faster. All right.